The fire alarm industry is very tough to compete in. So in order for you to even the playing field to bid on contracts $1 million and over, getting yourself minority certified will be the best option for you. That's why we've created the Certification Accelerator to give you the steps you need to take to get yourself MBE, DBE certified with other certification bodies, so that way you can even the playing field and have a lot more options when it comes to bidding on fire alarm projects. So some of the certification they have for minority vendors are the MBE, which is for New York City and also New York State. That opens up federal projects, government projects, city and state municipalities. Also, there's the DBE certification. That's the Disadvantaged Business Enterprise. This is good for MTA, so all type of track work wherever there's the Metropolitan Transportation Authority. And once you get your New York City or New York State MBE, you can register for the SCA. That is the School Construction Authority. This is where they build all the schools. You know they're going to need fire alarm systems for all these new buildings. So those are some of the certifications that you could apply for to even the playing field when you're trying to bid and get fire alarm projects. My name is Anthony Richardson. I started out with a company called Fire Quench over 25 years ago. Since then, I've been certified on systems like Simplex, Edwards, Software House, Kitty, and that's two, just to name a few. And in 2017, we started Securities Corp. Fast forward, we've done over $5 million installing fire alarm and security systems throughout the government sector, private, and also the commercial sectors. I'm here to show you that hard work and dedication can truly pay off. So stick with me throughout the fire alarm business blueprint so we can show you how you could actually achieve the life of freedom that you're actually looking for. So some of the common struggles that most entrepreneurs face, and I even face these same problems too, is that the certification process is so complex. Some of them take at least 2 years to date for you to actually get approved or denied. So if you get denied and you have to wait 2 years, that means you have to wait another 2 years to recorrect that paperwork. So it's very important that you submit the right paperwork on time, the right way, so that way you can get approved fast the first time. And lastly, there are different types of certifications from the MBE all the way up to the 8A certification. Now, these different types of certifications open up different doors. Some certifications have set-asides, which means that, hey, I'm this government body. I'm looking for you or people like you within your minority certification group just to bid on this particular project. And inside of your minority certification group may only be 10 of you, maybe 100, maybe only even 1,000. That still evens the playing field from bidding on a public project where there's more than 1,000 people just trying to bid on that one project. So I want you to download the one-page certification cheat sheet. I will leave a link in the description so that way you can stay on step and know exactly what you need to do when it comes to actually getting yourself certified as a minority vendor. And this is just step number 6 inside of the fire alarm business blueprint. You're going to need all 9 steps in order to understand how you can fully start, operate, and grow a fire alarm company being taught by an actual fire alarm license contract. So if you're ready to take the next steps, click the link in my description, jump on a call. We'll figure out exactly where you are, how we can help you, and see if you're a good fit for the Certification Accelerator program. I'll catch you on the other side.